Okay, so it's November 23rd, getting close to turkey time. And trying to look at the camera, but I always end up looking down. Um, yeah, so I'm just gonna try hiking with different setup. I got some Smart Wool base layer and a light fleece. I'm gonna use an umbrella today, and it's raining pretty good. Rained all night. Got up here, and of course the sun's peeking out. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna go for. I don't know. It's usually about 14 miles. I'm just gonna hike uphill and around on some bike trails, mountain bike trails, and yeah, I got my full rain suit. I got a lunch. I got some water. I got my pole pack, and I don't know, one trekking pole. I guess I'll use. I'll strap the other one to the pack, okay, just for fun and giggles. So yeah, I'm gonna check this out. I got a Note 5 that I was gonna try to use as my camera, and strictly for my camera. Anyway, I gotta get that set up yet, but let's see, what was the other thing? Oh, I got the InReach, and it seems like every time I go for a hike, that thing is dead. So it'll be charging in my pack. I got like a 20,000. I don't know uh, what they call is it milliamps or something. But anywho, that's what I'm doing today. I don't know. It's about 10:30 now. I don't know. It's gonna take me a few hours. Anyway, oh, stop raining. Figures. So I thought I'd take this phone out. It's kind of sun showering right now, or maybe just dripping from the trees. Just it has been raining pretty hard. The umbrella's working pretty good, and let's take a look around here. There's some nice trees in through here. It's a beautiful little road hike. Just trying to get some miles in. And anywho, I like these pants, but these zippers, when I put the rain pants on, those zippers, I need to zip them back or something because they rub against the inside on my rain pants. I think it's gonna wear them out eventually. So I'll look at picture in a picture then. No, I did that. So just enjoy this little break in the weather. Stuffed down half of my peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I met another gal out walking around in a full rain suit, but yeah, I'm not sweating as much without the full rain suit. So it's definitely good. There's not a lot of wind to worry about the umbrella getting sideways. I mean, this isn't really a hiking umbrella. This is more of a, $5 umbrella. But yeah, I get the idea. There's my trekking pole. Everything just kind of fell down. And my Gatorade. But yeah, beautiful day. I got a bunch of up to go. It's like a 5-mile climb on this gravel road, and then swing down through some mountain bike trails. This is out of the Rainbow Lodge again, and there's multiple ways to go up here. Good hike. What is it now? Getting to be 5 minutes to noon. So I'll eat the other half of my sandwich while it's not pouring down here. So I don't know. Expect just to get rained on today, and here we've got rainbows and puppy dog tails and who knows what else. Views. Of course, the camera never does this view justice. It's getting up in the timber. Little four-wheel action trail there. We're gonna switch back on this road and go up that way, up towards the end of that rainbow. Yes, sir. Okay. So this stretch of road here kind of washed out a couple years ago, and they rebuilt it. Looks like it might be slipping a little bit as we speak. All that timber there fell down in the hole. So it's getting on about 1 o'clock, and I'm on this new chemo pill, everolimus, and it's a low dose, 5 milligrams once a day. So haven't really had too many ill effects, so you know, it is what it is. It's supposed to slow down and possibly mitigate some of the carcinoid. Oh boy, here comes the rain. Time to get the umbrella out. Okay, so going up this road here reminds me of the mountain bike days. We did this 5-mile climb here, just to kind of check what time we could do it in, check our fitness. Anyway, the guy that sold my first bike to me, mountain bike, Evan, he's just completing some crazy 1,000,000 feet of elevation gain on his bike over, I think, a year time. You have to do it within a year time. That's like, I don't know, Mount Everest is what, 33,000 feet? 3 of those and 100 times 10, so that's like going up Mount Everest 30 times. It's ridiculous. So it's a shout out to him. Congratulations. Okay, so we're off the main gravel road and getting on to the not so used, just filters down to a trail here a little bit. Just some of the woods here. Give you a shot of that. Sun's out again, which, you know, I'm not against the sun, but I was supposed to be out here testing the umbrella theory. Staying pretty dry and comfortable, so I have to say. Oh, so I mentioned these pants that I have on, very stretchy, and Wrangler makes them, and well, they're basically Walmart. $21 maybe I spent, I don't know. Anyway, they dry fast, comfortable, and I don't know what else you can say about them. They're doing the job. I gotta make myself a list. I forgot my, I'm wearing my fanny pack lately with my ID and stuff in it, so came out here and realized I don't have my stuff. Anywho, oh, a lot of memories on these trails. I was thinking about some other trails to do when I got, there's plenty of trails to hike. So the weather doesn't get too, even if it snows, I'll go out, I don't care. Whew. Catch my breath a little bit. It's going to be some downhill now. Down into the ferns. In the forest. That's what I wanted to say is I had that trouble coming down Mount Defiance with my full pack. My left knee was giving me some trouble. And so I went online and kind of see what I could do to strengthen it up. So I've been kind of doing these downhill lunges. I don't know, that was such a steep, sustained downhill. I don't know if I really have anything out here in these woods that will rival that, but anyway, so we'll see. Well, I don't know how many. It's past 1 now. I'm going to hike this beautiful hike in this beautiful sunshine, and just love these stumps with the things growing out of the top of them. Love how this trail comes through the canopy of these Doug firs and turned out to be a silly, beautiful day. So the trail's pretty easy to follow up to this point. Actually, it widens out a little bit here. Up here, you can kind of go left or right, and I don't know. I sometimes get a little lost on this next section, but we'll find our ways out of the woods. I've been up here so many times. I still can't believe that I haven't figured this out. Okay, so this looks right. I went left down there, and this is a trail off. Just kind of becomes a mud thing. It used to go up to the left up there. It used to actually go to the right, and then it washed out. Then they brought it up to the left. But it's pretty steep, so they put this trail in here. A little water crossing up here. I want to get back on the trail. Oh yeah. It's a nice established trail. It's got the nice base of pine needles. And beautiful old timber log stump. Very nice. Okay. Well, coming down the trail, it's 2:30, so I got a couple hours to get out of here before darkness falls. Shouldn't be a problem. Anyway, I got a light if I need it. Hike on. Okay. What is this? Some sort of Planet of the Apes thing? I'm not sure. I can see that. I'm gonna get down over here. I mean, I'm not sure what that's all about. But It's a warning. If I had more time, I might explore this trail here. Looks like it goes up that way. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go up this way. Okay. So I'm pretty sure this leads to a trail that goes to the left. And back to a road to the car. And because the old trail, they kind of obliterated it. It fell to disuse. Nice little stream down there, doing its thing. Okay. Well, still got some light. Hike on. Yeah, this is the trail. Took the boys on this years ago. Follows along this river here. And I think that actually might be Baker Creek. And so we'll eventually come up out on a road. And it don't matter if it's dark 40. And we'll get out of here. Sweet moss growing there. A little water tumbling going on. A lot of leaves in the trail. Keep slipping on these rocks underneath the leaves. That's kind of annoying. Onward. Well, I kept to the river trail and it spit me out on this road here. I believe this just goes down right below my car. There's another trail coming up. A little bit of a volume of water coming off of that culvert. Alright, just about ready to wrap it up then. So that's the way I came. There's some big brooding trees here. Anywho, wow, that is a big tree. So down there is a really cool waterfall, but this is not the way to this is not the way to access it. It's pretty steep down there from there. My knee's starting to complain already. And the old sun, she's fading over to the horizon there. And anywho, guess I'll just end it here, hike down to the car, and hope you enjoyed the views.